They use my name, my voice.
One of these, that's all.
Sonic, how you think you can do that?
One of these, that's all.
Oh.
One of these, that's all. Get that check. How many views? One of these, that's all.
Everybody, it's just
one of these, that's all.
This can't be real. No, this cannot be real. This can't be real. It's not real. This cannot be real. This cannot be real. This cannot be real. Somebody playing this. Sonic drive-in with a check mark. Sponsored? Sis. This shit was up 2 weeks ago.
Everybody needs to do shit.
Huh?
Everybody needs to do shit. Everybody.
How y'all think y'all can do that? Oh, look, somebody tried to tag me. This person. No.
Oh, in the comment.
Someone, they didn't have the right name. They had the wrong name. No, I saw it just now because somebody tagged the right name. Get the whole fuck out of here. Oh, are you serious? Oh, shit, sis. You ain't ready for this. Why they took it down, but it's still red. How is that possible? Why somebody just hit me again and said Cheesecake Factory did it too?
Yeah, Cheesecake Factory did.
The same one of these.
So that one, and yeah, that's the popular one. When everybody says that. In the 44 room. Now.
Why that shit say order now? Sponsored. So that means you have to prove that's you for a check mark. You got to show ID. You got to show some business papers. And then you sponsored it. Wow. That's wow. Wow. Is all I can say.